Hello all. Alright, let me walk you through this part of the site. So first, I click on shopping list under the sales tab. Right away, I am taken to a page that shows the shopping list dashboard. Right at the top, you get the key numbers. You can see how many popular items you have, how many loyal customers are active, and the total number of active shopping lists. Over here, it also shows how many orders have been placed, along with the estimated revenue. Just below that, there's the shopping activity graph. This helps you track engagement over the week, basically showing when customers are adding or interacting with their list. Next to it, we can see new buyer registrations, which gives you a quick sense of how many new customers are joining during the same time period. On the right side, you've got top selling products. Scrolling down, this section shows your active shopping list and completed lists. An active list refers to items that are still open and can be converted into an order. Once those items have been ordered and the payment process is completed, they move into the completed list. From here, I have full control over each list. If I want to make changes, I can jump right in and add new items, edit existing ones, or delete anything that's no longer needed. If I see a list that's similar to another order, I don't have to start from scratch. I can simply duplicate the existing shopping list. I can also take things a step further and place an order on behalf of the customer directly using their shopping list. So this is the storefront where buyers place their orders using shopping list. This page is a customized store tailored to the category we selected during sign up, making our operation simpler, faster, and more specific. Shopping lists are reusable lists created by buyers to quickly reorder frequently purchased items. Alright, let me quickly walk you through 3 easy ways to create a shopping list through a buyer's perspective. First things first, no matter which method I use, I have need to log in. So, if I am not logged in already, don't worry. Any of these options will just redirect to the login page first. Okay, let's start with the first method, quick order. Now, here I can see quick order right at the top. Once I click it, a panel slides in from the right, asking me to log in. Here I have to log in using my credentials. After that, I am good to go. I can start shopping. Now I have multiple ways to add products to my shopping list from here. One option is upload a file. For example, if I already have a PDF or CSV, maybe something like a January shopping list I had prepared ahead of time, I can just upload it and make an order. Another option is paste your order. This is great if someone emailed me a list. I will just paste in the item numbers, quantities, and units with spaces, commas, semicolons. It all works. Or if I prefer, I can simply browse the catalog, select items manually, and add them as you go. Once everything's added, look down at the bottom and I am add to shopping list. Hit the little arrow next to it, choose create new shopping list, give it a name, maybe something like office supplies restock, and you're done. Now, the second method happens while you're browsing the store. As I scroll through products, there is an option below each item to create a shopping list. I am clicking on create new shopping list, give it a name, like networking cable shopping list. Add any notes if you want, and then click create and add. That's it. The list is created and the product goes straight into it. And finally, the third method is through the shopping list tab. Just head over to the shopping list tab here and a panel slides in from the right showing all your existing lists. At the top, I am clicking create new shopping list. Enter a name something like charging cables. Add notes if there's anything specific, maybe delivery instructions or reminders, and hit create list. Here, I can select the desired list and click create order. This takes you straight to the checkout page, where I can make the payment and confirm my order. And that's all for this quick demo. Thanks for watching.